Okay, here is the finished product on my antenna. This is a DX Engineering MBVE2. It's a 33 foot ground mounted vertical, as you can see. Got auto tuner there. This is the FCC, or feed line current choke. The auto tuner is rated for a maximum of 200 watts, SSB or CW. It's mounted with a concrete pole in the ground that I put in there myself. And the radio plate has approximately 30 ground radials going out all over the yard. It's being fed with Belden 9913 coax. It has the tilt over base on it, so if you want to lay it down during a storm, you have that option. This is a good quality antenna. Done some talking on it. It talks really well. Surprisingly, I was concerned about how close we are to the neighbors' houses. However, I put 200 watts through it, and I'm getting no TVI and no RF whatsoever. No complaints in my house or anybody else's. That goes for the ham bands as well as 11 meters. There's no interference on 11 meters either at any amount of wattage. I got the 33 foot pole because we are on a deed restricted or code restricted, whatever you want to call it, community, or we have a 35 foot height restriction, so that's why I opted to go with the 33 foot MBVE2 instead of the MBVE1, which is 43 feet. You can tilt it over during a storm, ice, snow, whatever, wind, tornadoes, and you can just lay it across the yard as such, and it should spare my antenna. Should being the operative word. I have to bury my coax too, so I got some work to do, but I will tell you this much, that this is a good quality antenna, but however, this is quite a project to set one of these up. More so if you've never done it before. It was a lot of work. We had 2-3 days tied up in trying to figure it out, doing the measurements on the antenna. Ground radials was a lot of work. I've obviously got room for, there's 60 holes on there, which if you don't use the ground would leave you room for roughly 58, so you could do that. More the merrier, obviously, but 30 was plenty of them. So that's my little project. That's my antenna.